Do you ever feel that life is just too busy and complex? Don't you deserve more inner peace and fulfillment? Well, the ancient Eastern philosophy of Wu Wei holds many secrets to help us navigate life's challenges. In the immortal words of the Dao De Jing, nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. This Taoist text from China gifts us the radical notion of Wu Wei, the act of non-doing or effortless action. While Wu Wei translates literally to non-action, it's not about just sitting still. Rather, it is spontaneous, natural action arising when one is aligned with the currents of life. Think of effortlessly riding a wave versus trying to swim exhaustively against the tide. In our rushed modern lives, Wu Wei is an alluring concept. It asks, what if we could move through life with the grace of a jellyfish carried by the ebb and flow? Imagine if we could transform daily stress into surfing blissfully through life's twists and turns. On this journey, we'll examine 5 lessons of Wu Wei that will allow you to do just that. The first teaching is to embrace the flow of life. Going with the flow is not about passivity, it's about actively engaging with the world while respecting its natural rhythms. When faced with challenges, our instinct is usually to push against them forcefully, like paddling a canoe upstream. Wu Wei offers a different approach. Instead of fighting the challenge directly, assess where the currents of the situation can naturally take you. Then gently guide yourself accordingly, like a leaf effortlessly drifting on a stream. Rather than opposing obstacles head-on, Wu Wei involves adapting to circumstances. Allow outside forces to work in our favor. Effortless progress comes from aligning ourselves with the flow of life. Obstacles become opportunities when you embrace life's flow. That looming deadline becomes a channel pushing you to focus. Financial constraints steer you towards creativity. Let life's currents guide you towards a more fulfilling life, rather than resist them in order to keep things the same. When I let go of what I am, I become what I might be, teaches the Tao. Our past does not dictate our future. By aligning with life's flow, we can evolve each moment into what we might be. The mind habitually clings to old ways of being, the frustrated worker, the struggling artist, the anxious soul. But Wu Wei washes this away. Each new moment allows for new ways of being. The second teaching of Wu Wei is to trust our intuition. In today's world, we often prize analysis, algorithms, and systematic thinking. However, Taoist philosophy values our innate intuition. Within us lies an inner voice, a sage who sees clearly the path meant for us. Yet often, we turn down the volume on this guidance, letting the noise of life drown it out. Wu Wei says, amplify the signal, pause before decisions to tune into your inner dial. Let your whole being resonate with this voice. Imagine you're at a crossroads in life. It could be a big career move, a relationship milestone, or even a decision over what to wear. Rather than carefully weighing every pro and con, take a deep breath. Let your intuition guide you in the moment. Inviting intuition into our lives requires patience, tranquility, and self-trust. Activities like journaling, meditating, and creative pursuits can nurture our intuitive abilities. Intuition is an invaluable compass that points us toward fulfillment if we learn to listen to its quiet but wise voice. Living mindfully is the third lesson from Wu Wei. Do you fully experience life's little moments? The birds chirping, the taste of your morning coffee, the feeling of your feet on the ground as you walk? Or does life blur by, with your mind lost in the past and future events? Wu Wei invites us to awaken and inhabit this present moment. Thich Nhat Hanh urges us to walk as if kissing the earth with your feet. When we move through life mindfully, each step lands with attentive care, fully aware of each sensation. Wu Wei teaches us not just to look, but to really see. Not just to hear, but truly listen. To fully taste, not just food, but each second. To feel the aliveness in our hands, our beating heart. No detail is too small for our mindful gaze. Little joys like a child's laughter or the smell of fresh rain get embraced as the treasures they are. Wu Wei's fourth teaching is to release the need to control. The Dao De Jing advises, by letting go, everything gets done. The world is won by those who let it go. we often grip tightly to life, trying to control an unpredictable world. But Wu Wei gently loosens our grasp. Letting go is not relinquishing action, but, more importantly, releasing rigid expectations. How much of life do we miss while worrying over things that might happen? Accept life's turns and find joy in their twisted rhythms. Like a dancer surrendering to music's flow, move with, rather than against, life's cadence. Mindfulness helps us embody this grace. We observe how thoughts create reactions and resistance. We recognize the difference between wise responses and automatic judgments. Imagine thoughts as passing clouds. We need not cling to them as self-definitions. Simply witness them drift by. There is freedom in observing thoughts without reacting or resisting. In time, we respond to life's chaos with calm awareness. External turmoil no longer causes internal turmoil. We bend and flow with unseen currents. This is the inner peace Wu Wei brings. Now imagine the sun sinking into the horizon, painting the clouds pink and orange. For a moment, time stands still. The busy world fades away, and all that exists is this single splendid sunset. Wu Wei's fifth lesson teaches us that life's beauty lies in these gentle, fleeting moments, not grand achievements. A smile shared with a friend, a cat purring softly in our lap, the scent of lilac as we pause to breathe it in. As the Zen saying goes, simplicity, patience, compassion, these three are your greatest treasures. Wu Wei guides us to clear away clutter and complexity to make space for what truly nurtures the soul. In our rush to accomplish and acquire, we sacrifice presence. We silence laughter, miss sunsets, and neglect affection to maintain our busy blur. Wu Wei pauses the blur and draws our gaze to the singular smile in front of us. When we mindfully inhabit each moment, our thirst for more falls away. We appreciate life's hidden gems glittering all around us. The chatter of busy minds grows still as inner peace inhabits our souls. Shift your focus to life's subtleties, the first sip of coffee, a baby's tiny toes, clouds dancing across the sky. Feel time slow down and senses come alive. Be here now, let this moment sparkle, smile, breathe, and embrace the gift of being. Wu Wei illuminates the treasures that have been here all along. Wu Wei is a lifelong journey, but it is one that is well worth taking. Remember, life is a journey, not a destination. By following these principles, you can find the peace, contentment, and fulfillment to transcend all suffering. Let us know how you think the lessons of Wu Wei make a difference in your life in the comments below. Everyone loves hearing your perspective, and your insight helps others. Watch this video next to discover how you can use the power of attention to amplify the results of your journey into Wu Wei.